I'm so excited! Yay, welcome to my channel. God, people are gonna become a communist. I gotta take this down. So my fantasy kit came. We're gonna open it. Look at this real life sticker. I'm opening it upside down because my address is like plastered all over the place. Oof. It's already so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oops. This was supposed to be in front. Let's flip this back to the front. Support your stars by communicating with them on VLive. And then exchange stuff. Don't need that. Man, I have to blur out my number now. This is the back. Put that on the side. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Everything's already flashing. Okay, so this is pretty sure this is the bottle. We have the, what is it called? Pin. The photo card set. The little mini bag. The photo card binder. Then we have the photo book. And then this is just a picture that you can't take. I think it's part of the box or something like that. From what I remember from Yongbin's unboxing. Mwahaha, I took it out. Now you can just like display this. I'm so sad though. I didn't get one of those Polaroid, the signed Polaroids or whatever's. Oh well. Let's look at the water bottle. The colors is so cute. The hologram. This is crunchy. It's plastic. Spinny top, also plastic. And the outside's like a little metal. Let's look at the small stuff stuck in there. This thing is Fantasia hologram. It's so like plasticky and like, is this supposed to be a pocket? Because like she's so stuck. And there's like this pocket in the back. I guess you could put this thingy. Yep. Honestly, I don't know what you would put in here. I feel like my phone doesn't even fit in here. Yeah, my phone does not fit in here. There's that. The pin. It's just a pin. A regular pin. I don't think we need to see that. Let's look at the photo cards. Do the back. Anyways, I think it's all the same except different color. Yongbin. Yongbin. Insong. Oh, this one's cute. Glasses. Oh my gosh, this one's cute too. Pink. Damn, so beautiful. Cute. Some of them are stuck together. This picture he posted on VApp. And then we all knew it was gonna be a photo card. Let's look at the photo card binder. It's so sticky. Dust is already like, and not sticky, it's like staticky, and like, so dust is like just already getting stuck to it. It smells plasticky. Ew. It's not even closed all the way. Like, parts of the sheets are falling out. Like, they came out. Anyways, we saw like a glimpse of it during Chani's V Live. This whole thing was open. How many sheets are there? 20? I think there's 20. I might have miscounted because like some of them are stuck. Why is it so difficult? See the front. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm only laughing because the feet community is blessed once again. Anyways. Oof, they're so pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous. We love men in white. Oh my gosh. Never been done before. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. Damn, they're all visuals. What kind of wow. Almost thought I was looking at a magazine, like they're advertising for jeans or something. White on white. Blonde. Wow. Wow. Look at that jawline. Whoa. Rainbow. This is so cute. They're so cute. Look at Chani in his yellow beret. They're so cute. Look at my mom and dad. Oh my gosh. That's my mom. That's my dad. This is so cute. Yo, this is really cute. He looks like he's at a birthday party. That's cute. Okay. He looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Pink. I love pink. June and pink and bubbles. Cute. Wow. Yu Taeyang invented pink. Yes. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yellow. Look at, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Playing with fake snow. Wow. This really looks like a jean ad. Cute. He's on clouds because he's a little angel. Look at this family, so cute. They're so cute. The end. This is it. Super cute, very plasticky. Very, very plasticky. I probably will not use this. Don't really know. I'm definitely going to be using this binder because the old photocard collect book is just getting way too small. I'm gonna make a separate video putting all my photo cards into here and decorating it and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.